Good time of day. Hey y'all, this video I'm going to be doing a review on a product that I had just heard of. Everyone is raving about it. It's called Makeup by Mario, his foundation. I personally never heard of this man, this Mario man. We gonna see how this gonna go. Okay. This foundation is called the Surreal Skin Foundation. It's supposed to be giving skin without actually being your skin. It's a natural finish foundation, which is also hydrating with medium coverage. And people keep saying that it's like it got some sparkles or some stuff in it to make your skin naturally glowy looking. See, here it is right here, y'all. This is what the product box, the packaging look like right here. I got mine in 19C. So we gon' see. Here's what the bottle look like here. Nice size bottle. Okay, got his name on it by Mario. All right, it's interesting. I've never had foundation with sparkling effects in it. So okay. All right, so we're not going to take too much longer. I'm gonna go ahead and start on my face, and once I get to the foundation part, I'm gonna get back with you. Ain't nothing here but positive vibes, so please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so I did my eyes, and now I'm ready to test out this foundation. Oh hell. Okay, hold on now. Okay, so it is a pump. I'm gonna do about 2 little ones on my beauty blender here. Alright, make that one a little, okay, like that. Okay. And remember, this is supposed to be medium coverage. So I'm gonna kiss that. Okay. Alright, hold on now. Hold on, I ain't finished. Let's see here. Hold on now. Well, I be dog. It is giving skin. It is giving skin. Hold on, let me chill out, Brittany. Alright, let me do 2 more pumps on the other side now. But okay. It's giving luminous. It's giving luminous. It is giving skin. I can still see a little blemish here and there, but it looks like I got perfect skin. Like it looked like I was born with this skin. Alright, the sparkle effect in this foundation is really giving my skin like a natural glow look. Build up a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Build up a little bit more. Wow. Oh my god. Yo, what the hell? This is pretty nice. Who? Mario? Super Mario? Okay. I don't even need to put anything else on my face. Like, oh, this is so... I have not been this impressed since Fenty came out with their foundation. I be dog. This is good. This is some good shit right here. I'm sorry to cuss, but this is some good. This is some good stuff right here. I'm addicted. It's giving skin. This is giving nothing but just naturalness, luminous, just and just the glow of it all. Y'all, this is incredible. This was definitely worth the $40 I paid for this. I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and I'm gonna come back and let y'all know the final result. Good time of day. The coverage is covering The glow is glowing. Y'all, the skin is giving my skin. Like, really? I don't know what else to... I have no complaints about this. Won't give you a cakey feel. It's very neat, very clean. It's just, this is marvelous. Marvelous. Mario marvelous. Alright, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in this video. I hope y'all enjoyed this review. I certainly did. Y'all come back now. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.